Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use live rooms on Instagram to get a maximum engagement. So first thing to do that is just go open the Instagram application. Hold on. So here I would like to suggest you, before you do the live section, I would like to suggest you to create announcement through your story content so that your audience can understand or like get a reminder that you want to do the live session, so they can save the date, save the time, and preparing everything for your live. Okay, so when you are in the home section, just slide your screen into the right side until you have an access into your story sections, and after that you just need to choose the picture that you can use for the announcement. For example, I think I will let you use this. Okay, and after that just go into the features in Instagram, and I think I will let you do a poll, and I would like to announce the audience here that I want to do live. So okay, let's say live at 10. Will you come? And there will be two options, yes or no. And after that I just need to adjust the position and the size, and after that just go click add to your stories. And that's the first way. After that you just need to follow or controlling the response of your audience, and when the time is coming you just need to go into the story section, and after that go click a live. In this live you can just go add the details such as the titles, add the titles, or let's say a Q&A. Okay, and after that just go click add details. And now when you're ready to go live, just click this button to go live. So that's the way how to use live roles to maximum engagement on your Instagram. If you found that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.